This beautiful chowder with sweet potatoes, corn, and smoked salmon, and I actually put smoked trout in it too, is really delicious. It's creamy from the coconut soup. It has all those flavors in there with the onions and the garlic, and I let a bay leaf simmer. It is so fabulous and very easy. Actually came together pretty quickly. You've got to give it a try. The recipe is on tkfoodie.com. Please make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel. Turn on notifications so you get the latest, and leave a comment. We love to hear from you.
I start this chowder by rendering some bacon, and as soon as the bacon becomes crispy and the fat is rendered off, I add in my sweet potatoes and then some onion. Give everything a good stir. The smaller the sweet potatoes, the quicker they will cook, so keep in mind. Then I'm going to add some salt and pepper. A drizzle of olive oil will help these soften even further and add to the silkiness of the soup. Then I'm going to chop some celery. You don't have to be exact with this. You just need a couple large stalks. Add those to your pot. Give another stir. Then I'm going to add in a bay leaf. You'll remove that right before you serve. And then add in a few cloves of garlic. I always think more is better with garlic. I just love it. I'm adding in some vegetable stock here, but you could use another kind of stock if you prefer. But vegetable works very, very well. And then a can of full fat coconut milk. Another thing that is going to add such creaminess in here. And then my corn. You can use fresh corn, but you know, it's really not in season right now. So I'm using frozen corn that I thawed. I always have it on hand. And then butter. This happens to be rosemary butter just because I had it, but use whatever butter. And then I'm adding in some smoked salmon and a tin of trout because I couldn't find the cold smoked salmon or the canned salmon specifically for this. So I have less salmon and trout in here than the recipe calls for, but it still worked out okay. You might want more. Cover and simmer this on low for 20 minutes. Remove that bay leaf, and then you're going to serve it. It's so fabulous, comforting, silky, delicious. Spoon it up and then adorn it with a little bit of chopped cilantro. I think it's just perfect for this. If you're not a cilantro lover, leave it out.